안녕하세요 친구들, Jham입니다. 내 채널 다시 오신 것을 환영합니다. Today's nail art is inspired by Dance the Night Away by Twice. It's mainly inspired by this. My base colors are white, gold, and black. I added some gold glitters on my black base. First, let's do a sunset ombre. Get your sponge and add the colors. Then, dab it onto your nails. Repeat painting and dabbing until you reach full opacity. After doing it to my index, middle, and pinky nail, I applied a black French tip on my index and middle nail. Then, I applied top coat. Let them all dry and let's paint a palm tree on my index and my middle nail. Then, on my ring nail, let's put some gold glitters on top of it. Apply a fast drying top coat, then dip your nail into the pot of gold glitters. Then, use a fan brush to press down the glitters and to remove the excess. Then, on my pinky nail, let's stamp this leaves design. Then after that, apply top coat. And that's how I did my Dance the Night Away inspired nail art. If you enjoyed today's video, kindly give it a big thumbs up. And if you think your friends would love this video, don't forget to share this with them. And to do it, that you subscribe to my channel to see more videos every week. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Annyeong!